Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, cooking dry pinto beans at home is incredibly rewarding. Not only is it much more economical than buying canned, but you also get to decide exactly how they taste. Plus, the texture is just unbeatable, especially for your favorite dishes. It might seem a little daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll be making flavorful, perfectly cooked beans every time. This guide makes it super easy to master the process. Before you do anything else, make sure to give your dry pinto beans a good rinse. Spread them out and quickly pick out any little stones or shriveled beans. This is an important, quick step. Then, it's time to soak them. Soaking helps them cook more evenly and speeds up the process significantly. You can either soak them overnight in a large bowl of water, or for a quicker option, boil them for 1 minute, then let them sit for an hour off the heat. Once your beans are soaked, drain off that soaking water completely. Now, transfer them to a large pot and add fresh cold water. Make sure the water covers the beans by at least 2 inches. Bring the pot to a boil over high heat, then immediately reduce it to a gentle simmer. You want a steady, low bubble. Remember, hold off on adding salt until the very end, as it can make the beans' skins a bit tough while they cook. This is where the magic happens, adding delicious flavor. While your beans are simmering, you can add aromatics like a chopped onion, a few cloves of garlic, or a couple of bay leaves. These simple additions infuse so much taste. Remember to wait until the beans are almost tender, around the 1-hour mark, before you stir in any salt. For an even deeper, savory flavor, try adding a smoked ham hock or a dash of liquid smoke during the cooking process. Once your pinto beans are perfectly cooked and seasoned, let them cool completely. You can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. If you've made a big batch, they freeze wonderfully for up to 3 months. This makes future meal prep so easy. Now, the best part, enjoying them. Use your homemade pinto beans in tacos, hearty chili, delicious burritos, or simply serve them as a comforting, flavorful side dish. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.